te disons merci, Seigneur Jésus. Nous te disons merci, Alléluia. Pour l'œuvre immense qu'accomplissent les missions africaines dans ton église.
Brothers and sisters, friends of the Society of African Missions, from November the 3rd to the 11th, 2025, the SMA province of Togo will hold its provincial assembly under the theme Missionary of Hope, called to proclaim the gospel to the most abandoned, to baptize and to discover the new name spoken by the Lord. It will be a time of prayer, fraternity, and discernment, a moment to renew together our missionary commitment. Dear friends and supporters of the SMA, let us unite our hearts and prayers, guided by the Holy Spirit, as we accompany the province of Togo on this journey of faith. SMA Togo, moving forward into the future with faith, love, and hope.
Mission